make more and get it all carried over. And I've probably got parts there that I'm never going to use. But as a set, there's not, someone else would I've made ready control models over 40 years. And ready control models are much easier to control than more models. But I just haven't put a plug on the end. You know,
They're not big motors, are they?
no, we don't need big motors, do they?
I wouldn't know.
They certainly don't need those horrible Meccano motors, do they? They're little Chinese motors, they're like £6 each.
Get the slightly bigger ones, and I can
Is that big crane over there, that's on the power?
Yeah. Well, Richard's a bit of a fan of those, but I think they're rubbish. So,
Get off the fence.
yeah, I think they're rubbish.
yeah, leave them in the sunshine.
I've got one. I took one out of the. I took one. I took one out of my walkie drag line. I think I probably only put it in.
The gym looks a bit small given the size of the...
No, it's not.